Hi dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna start Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper Worksheet or the topical questions related to algebra. This is the third worksheet of algebra. If you have the concept about the simplification and find the perimeter and area of triangle and rectangle by using the algebraic expansion, and how can we solve the simultaneous equations, and how can we simplify or solve the quadratic equation, then it's good. If you have any problem, you can just pause this video and see the previous video of the algebra to find or to understand all these things. This is a very simple worksheet related to expansion and simplification. So there is some algebraic identities are given there. The first identity is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Be sometimes negative with both these numbers, so this will again be the same here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square, it will actually equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third identity is a plus b into a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. We will use these three identities as well in the coming worksheet maybe. Okay, question number 1 is expand and simplify. Here you can see 7 times x, it will be 7x minus 7 8 the 56. So this is just the expansion. There isn't any simplification possible here. So here you can see here a times a cube, it will be a to the exponent 4, and a times 3, it will be 3a. This is just again an expansion. So part C is 3 times y, it will be 3y, and there will be 3 times y cube, and this will say that simplified form. Then part D is there is 6 times 2, it will be 12y minus 6 3 the 18, and there will be negative 5 1 the 5 y, and again 5 1 5. Now 12y, by rearranging 12y minus 5y, it will be 7y, and 18 and negative 5, it will be negative 23. This will be the part D. Now part E is 4 times 2, it will be 4 to the 8, and x will remain as it is. Then 4 times 5, it will be 20. Now there is 5 3 the 15x, and negative, these two negative, it becomes positive here. So there will be 5 7 the 35. Now by rearranging 8x minus 15x, it will be negative 7x, and there will be 20 plus 35, it will be 55. So this will be the simplified form of part E. Now part F is there is 6x times 1 over. So there will be 6 3 the 2 3 the 6 here, and 2 1 the. Simplification will be 3x minus 1. And there will be 3 times x, there will be negative 3x, and negative, it will be positive 3. Now 3x minus 3x, it will become 0 here, and 3 minus 1, 8. And this is a simplified form of this part F. Now part G is x times x, it will be x square, and then x times 5, it will be 5x. Then 3 times x, 3x, and 5 3 the 15. So there will be x square as it is, and 5 plus 3, it will be 8x, and 5 will remain. So this will be the answer for part G. Next part is part H here. So 3 times 5, it will be 15, and then 5 times it will be 5n. Similarly, 3 times n, it will be negative plus minus, negative 3n and negative n. There it will be 15, and 5 minus 3, it will be 2n, and n square will remain this. So this was the part A. Now part I is there is the 3 expression, and they are multiplying with each other. So first we are going to add these expressions. X times 2x, it will be 2x square. Then x times 5, 5x. Similarly, 2 times 2, it will be negative 4x, and 5 the negative 10, and there will be x plus 3 as. Okay, now there is a 2x square, it will remain that it is. So 5 minus 4, it will be x and negative. Now we are going to multiply this plus 3. So there will be x times 2x square, it will be 2x cube, and then x times at x, it will be negative x here, and then x times 10, it will be 10x. So this was just the multiplication of each term with the x. Now similarly we can multiply 3 to the every term. So there will be 3 to the 6x here, and there will be the negative 3x, and the last term plus minus minus, there will be negative 3 and the 30. So here it will be 2x cube as it is, and this is negative x square and negative 6 plus positive 6x square. So there will be positive 5x square. Negative 10x and negative 3, it will be negative 13x, and negative 30, it will be. So this is a simplified form of product of these three expressions. Okay, next part is part J here. For x times x, it will be x square, and x times it will be negative 2x. Only 1 times x, it will be x, and 1 times negative. This is the multiplication of these two expressions, and the third expression will be additive. Here it will be x square minus x minus 2. By simplifying x and negative 2x, it will be negative x. So here, 3 times. Now x times x here, it will be x cubed, and then x times x, there will be negative x square, and x times 2, it will be negative. Similarly, there is 3 times x square, it will be 3x square, and there is 3 times x, it will be negative x, and 3 x. Now you can see there is x cubed, it will be positive then x square, and positive 3x square. Then there will be negative 5x and negative 6. It is, so this is part of this, the product of these expressions. Okay, then part K is x times x, it will be x square, then x times 2. Then 1 times x, it will be x, and 1 times 2. Then there is a multiplication of 2x with the x, it will be 2x square, and 3 to the 6x. Now you can see x square and 2x square, there will be negative. X plus 2x, it will be 3x, and negative 6x, it will be negative. Then there is positive here, so plus 2. So this is the simplified form of this expression. You can also write it as 2 minus 3x. The other two, same expression. Then there is part L here, x minus 7 whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. And in place of a, what is in the question? There is x, so we can just substitute in place of a, have x, and in place of b, 7 here. So there, again in place of a, there will be x square, and then 2 will remain as it is. So a is again x, and is 7 here. So there will be 7. It will be equals to x square minus 14x plus 7, 7 are 49. So this will be a part. Now you can see part M here, x minus 3 whole square times 2x plus 5. First we need to open this formula again, x minus 3 whole square. It will be x square minus 3 to the 6x plus 9. By using the formula a square minus 8 plus b square, it will be x square minus 6x plus 9, and there will be 2x plus 5. And now there will be x square times 2x, it will be 2x cubed. Then 2x times 6x, it will be negative 6 to the 12. This will be 12x. Then 2 times 9, it will be x. Then 5 times x square, it will be positive 5x square. 5 times 6, it will be negative 30x. 9 5 are 45. There will be 2x cubed as it is, and there is 12x square and 5x, 17x here. Then 18x, and there is negative 30, so there will be negative 12, and then 45 will be as it is. So this will be the answer for part M. Now you can see part N here, x minus 4 whole square. Again there x plus 4 whole square. So what we can do, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So there will be x square plus 4 to the 8x, and 4 4 the 6, and there will be 3x plus as it is. Now we can multiply with the 3x, every term. So there will be 3x cubed times 3 8 the 24x, and then 16 in 3 the 48. X will be as it is now. We have every term there will be 2x here, and 8 to the 16x, and 16 to the 32. By simplifying 3x, you will be as it is, then you can 2x here, it will as it is now 24x, 48x, and 16x. So 24 plus 48 plus 16, so it will be 12, and 12 plus 6, 6, 7, and will be plus 80x, and the next part is part O here. And you can see here A minus B is at the identity. So in place of A, what we can do, we have to write a 2x. So there will be 2x here. A square minus 2, and A is 2x, and B is 3. And there will be plus 3 square. This is what? Square minus 2ab plus B square. And rest of the terms will as it is. 3 times x, it will be negative 3x here, and there will be negative and negative positive 3 4 12x. So here will be 2x here, it will be to the 4x here, and there will be 4 and 4 3 the 12, negative 12x plus 9 minus 3x here plus 12x here as it is. Now you can see 4x here minus 3x here, negative 12 and positive 12, they will comes to 0 here, and plus 9. And so this was the part O. Now you can see part E is 16 minus 4 times 3x minus 2, it will be 3 square, 3x square, it will be 9x square, and there will be 3 to the 6, and 6 to the negative 12x, and there will be the 4. This is again the opening of the formula, which is A square, A is 3x, then there is 2, negative 2, A is 3x, and B is 2, and plus 2 square. It will be 3, 3, the 9x square minus 3 to the 6, and 6 to the 12x. So negative 12x plus 4. Now there will be 16 as it is, and 4 times 9, it will be 9, 36x square, and 4 times 12 will be positive, negative and negative, it will be positive 48x. And again, positive and negative, negative 16. 16 will be cancelled. So here 8x minus 36x. This will be the answer for part B. Now you can see part Q here. There is 2 into x minus 3 whole square. It will be x square minus 6x plus b the 9. This is again a square minus 2 plus b square. And there is x minus 3 whole square. What we can do, again we can open this formula for 2x square. There will be a square minus into a is 2x and b is 3, and plus 3. Here it will be 2x square minus 12x plus 18, and there will be negative 4x square to the 4, and there will be the 4 and 4 3 that 12, positive 12x, and there is negative 9. So 3 square is 3. So there is 2x square minus 4x, it will be 4x square, it will be 2x square. And there is 12x and positive and negative, it will be 0. And 18 minus 9, it 9. 9 minus 2x square, it will be the other part. So this is the last question of this worksheet. If you have any question related to this simplification and expansion and about these 3 identities, you can just comment. I'll try to reply you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be very appreciable for me.